Hey there, welcome to another exciting episode of Wealth Builders Central. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, I'm going to show you how to build wealth with $0. Yes, you heard that right. $0. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities together. You can start building wealth by utilizing free resources that are readily available to everyone. Libraries are treasure troves of information, offering books, audiobooks, and even free workshops. Online courses, many of which are free, can teach you new skills and knowledge. Community centers often provide free classes and events that can help you learn and grow. These places are gold mines of knowledge at no cost. Invest time in building valuable skills. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you can create for yourself. Learn coding, marketing, or even financial literacy. These skills are in high demand and can be learned through free tutorials and courses available online. The internet is a vast resource. Websites like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube offer countless free tutorials on a wide range of topics. Networking is crucial. Connect with people at events, on social media, or in professional groups. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Join professional groups related to your field of interest. These groups can be a great way to meet like-minded individuals and share ideas. Consider bartering your skills or services. This means exchanging what you can do for something you need without spending money. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, gig economy jobs, or online selling are great ways to earn extra income with little to no upfront cost. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy can help you get started. Selling items you no longer need online can also be a quick way to make some extra cash. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace are great for this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from Wealth Builders Central. Stay tuned for more ways to build your wealth without breaking the bank.